After the video, please like and sign up. We start our project off today with some harvest leaves. You can get them in packs. You can find them anywhere. You can find them in Michael's. You can find them in Dollar Tree. But I bought mine in a store called the Christmas Tree, that's the name of the store. We're going to use the hot glue gun, high temperature glue, the professional strength, and the disc is a round disc like a cake disc, 10-inch. This is what we're going to start with to create our placemat. Okay, so to begin with, I've got my leaves. I've got different size leaves. I have large leaves and I have these smaller leaves. I'm going to start off with my larger leaves, and I'm going to take those larger leaves and put them all the way around my board. So, use my glue. I'm going to place them on my board so that it is not going to show the rim. So it's not going to show the rim. So I place it like that. Give me another leaf, add glue to it, and I'm going to place it where it is not showing the board and overlapping this leaf. And I'm going to repeat that process all the way around my board. So on this particular one, I have 2 rows of the larger leaves, which are this size. Excuse me. No, they're not. They are this size, all the way around, and I have 2 rows of it. Now I'm going to start placing the smaller leaves on it, same way, until I get all the way to the center of my piece. So when I put on my glue on these, just as I did on the others, a good tip for when placing your leaves on here is you wanted some sort of uniformity. So you want to place your leaf so that it's covering everything up under the leaf, all the board, so you don't see it. So between the leaf you're putting on and the leaf that's there is no room to see the board. And you continue that all the way around. And you should not have any holes in your design. None whatsoever. It's pretty neat how it comes about, isn't it? Now, here you can do 1 or 2 things. You can continue to take your leaves all the way around, or you can get it to a size where if you put 1 leaf in the center, it's going to cover the rest of your board. I think I'm going to put 1 more here. That's not quite close enough to cover my whole board. Now I can use a larger leaf, put it in there, and that will cover up my whole board. Well, just about. Let me see. just about cover up the whole board. But I think I'm going to continue on with smaller leaves and cover my board that way. Bring all your tips together in the center. Should be able to cover your board up pretty good. And there you go. There is your placemat. That's really cute. I really like that. And you can do 4 of them. And you still, if you decide you want to, you can still take a larger leaf and put it in the center to set it off. Or you can leave it just like it is. Please like the video, sign up, and look for more projects. Thank you for joining our Daily Simple Decor. Have a blessed night. It's night for me.